Follow my methods in order to solve the black screen issue in DayZ. So let's start. Now for the first method, you should go to the Windows taskbar and click on this upside arrow. Now go to the Steam icon. If you do find it displaying like this, right click and select Exit Steam. Next, go to the Windows taskbar and select any empty space you'll find. Right click and then select Task Manager. When the Task Manager pops up, go to the search and type in Steam, or the launcher that you have the game on, of course. And then if you still find it running, make sure to select everyone, right click and then select in task. Now for the next method, go to the search and type in device manager, open that. When this window pops up, scroll down and click on display adapters, open that and then make sure to select your graphics card. Do not select the integrated one, which is Intel or AMD. Right click and select update driver. Now click on the first option and then click close. For the next method, go to the search and type in NVIDIA this time. The NVIDIA app will be displaying like this. If you don't find it, even if you do have an NVIDIA graphics card, make sure to go to their official website and download it from there. Now when you open it, the first thing you need to do is to go log in with your information, then go to the left menu and select this driver's icon. After that, click on this install button appearing right here. Make sure to choose between custom or express installation. After that, click on continue in order to initiate the process. After doing that, go to the settings this time and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. It is very important. For the last method, you need to go relaunch the Steam launcher once again. Now go to the Steam logo. Now you can see the Steam logo in the top left corner. Select the view option next to it and then click on library. After that, go to the left menu, look for DayZ. If you do find it installed, select it. After that, you need to click on the manage option appearing and click on properties. This window will pop up, so go to launch options, type in exactly like this, -dx11. After that, go to installed files in the left menu and select verify integrity of game files. That way, the missing files or the corrupted files will be automatically recovered without the need to re-download the game from the start. Now once you do that, you just need to go to the Windows icon and restart your computer and try relaunching the game and see if it works. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.